This is McDonald's stock here, currently priced at $2.94. I have entry back here back when it was at $2.44 to $2.55. We were in this price range for a couple of weeks before we had this big leg up all the way up towards $2.73, entering into our price target ranges of $2.66 to $300. We ended up breaking above the 300 major resistance and made a high of $3.16. And then personally, I wouldn't have wanted to enter into McDonald's while it was above 300. So being at 316, I expected a pullback. You can look at our previous video as well on McDonald's, but I was expecting a pullback from 316 all the way back down to below 300. Now we're currently back down towards 294 as of February 9th, overnight market. So am I going to be buying into McDonald's stock? I think while it's below 300, I wouldn't mind adding a position into McDonald's shares. If I was looking to enter options, I would possibly look for leap options for calls going into potentially 2026. I would definitely keep an eye out for 316 getting retested from where we're at right now at 294. Long term, I expect price ranges between 300 to 380 get tested. Our previous price target between 266 and 300 has already filled. My next price target, as I mentioned, between 300 and 380, I think will be potentially hit within 2026, 2027. As of right now, I think for the long term, I wouldn't mind adding a position here at 294. If we do break above 300 during earnings here, we might even see a test towards 316 again. Then I wouldn't mind adding a small position after as well. The reason why I don't want to add in all before earnings is because there could be a potential dip towards the bottom, and that dip represents itself at 282, 273. 273 and 282 are going to be the 50 and 100 EMA on the weekly chart. Those two are support levels to keep an eye out for in case there is that pullback after earnings. That's where I wouldn't mind adding my second half of my position instead of adding a whole big position at its current price before earnings. Overall, long term, nonetheless, whatever you decide to do, I personally do think that we get that test towards 380. So long term, I think being below 300 is a great dip opportunity. If for some reason, somehow there is a big overall market dip, I believe 253 here is a bottom for McDonald's. This would be the best possible entry for McDonald's stock here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you are in McDonald's stock, feel free to join our Discord. We do have over 32,000 members there, and it's free to join. We do have also options, calls and puts as well for the overall market. If you're looking for our live entries and exits, feel free to join our Patreon. Link is down below in the description, and it is currently 90% off. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check us out, right? I hope this video was helpful for you in terms of support level and resistance levels. If it's helpful, please feel free to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video for McDonald's stock.